Turn the wheel. All right, y'all. So I guess today's gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna watch my dad work on this truck now instead of me for the first time. So let's see. Oh, you're not gonna do it?
I'm gonna get tools.
Oh. All right. So he's gonna. My dad gonna work on the truck today. Y'all gonna watch him. He gonna walk y'all through the tutorial today. Well, I guess I'll walk y'all through it while he does it. So this is the same truck that we did the AC compressor on. We're gonna be doing a caliper on it too. I could have made one video, but I guess I'm gonna do two separate videos because it's two separate components of the car. So this is the same 2011 Super Duty f250 with the 6.7 diesel in it. And today we're gonna be doing the caliper on it. The caliper's leaking. You can see that drip. It's leaking through the piston, so we're just gonna change the whole caliper. It's a simple job, but today my dad's gonna walk me through it instead of me. So that should be pretty fun. Let's see how good he is. Let's see if he's a pro like me. Feel me? Because y'all know, y'all know me. Y'all know I'm a pro. Y'all never seen him work before. But y'all finna see it right now. We'll keep calling this shop. Okay, so first there's two screws in the back. Okay, no problem there. Are they 16s?
Yeah, 16s.
Got two 16s in the back for the caliper. It's looking really good too. That thing is dripping. Yeah, that's really awkward. We just put brand new brakes and rotors on here and now the caliper is leaking. That don't make no sense. What you looking for, a light?
The big red.
Oh, it's right here, I think.
Oh.
I didn't put it back from, I think. $116. Then we got another one. Two 16s on the back.
That's all change now. I'm gonna take the whole bracket off. I can't change all that crap.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna do this, and I feel like I can't believe this.
There we go. Caliper is off.
Grab me a brake line.
Oh. The little red ones? Yeah. Alright. So we're going out to get a, right now he needs a, the brake hose line stopper. It's always good to use these ones. Feel me? Because if you use the metal ones, it can collapse the line. So we're gonna use these plastic ones instead. Put that on the line like that. Clamp it down. And close it. Okay. What that does is stops the fluid from flowing through. So whenever we take the line off the back, we won't have too much fluid everywhere.
Just pull right out the freaking bottom piston.
Yep, right out the piston. That's weird. Let's come right up the piston, guys. I only got one piston too.
Look for a rebuild kit, but they don't sell it for this. Most time you can rebuild these. Take them apart, put just seal bust.
It ain't nothing but ceramic, like a hard ceramic, like clay. I thought it was metal.
Actually, this might be, but if not, it's going to be considered. It's called Bakelite. It's a hard plastic. I think this is metal.
That's probably metal. They knew when they come here, did it?
No. Nah, it hasn't come yet.
On to the next step. There we go. That's pretty good right there. Yeah. Side caliper. It's all destroyed.
I don't understand why that thing's gonna leak out. You compressed it.
That didn't make too much sense to me either. Okay, so our line on the back is a 14mm. Oh, that gun's strong. When it's actually charged up, it's strong. There's our line. Another important part about these are the crush washers. Make sure that you guys keep the crush washers because I don't know if your caliper will come with it or not. Ours most likely will, but just in case.
But if they,
if they don't,
because if it don't come with this, you don't replace this, it will leak.
There's our caliper. And once the new one come out, I'll show you guys the crush washers up close so that you can see them up close. But for right now, we're just gonna leave it right here because we don't have the new one yet, so there's nothing else that we can do. So until then, all right, y'all, so we back and we got all the new stuff. Our new caliper bracket and caliper. Right now, we having a serious debate about whether we should change the whole bracket and the caliper or just change the caliper. So we're gonna debate on that real quick. What y'all think we should do? Comment down below. Oh yeah, let me show y'all these crush washers for the ones who don't know what crush washers are. Crush washers are these little brass circle washer thingies. They should always come with two. I think I showed this on my one of my other videos with calipers, but I'll show y'all how it goes once we get deeper into it. Alright, let me take them out right now. This feels so weird that I'm not doing the work. Okay. He said a professional doing it now. That's crazy because I always call myself a professional on camera. Just a real professional, y'all. He taught me. I just put it on there. Boom.
Make sure some of these forks gotta turn these.
Gotta turn the forks in the back to make sure that they line up. Up, one of them fell.
And I think I'm gonna use the old.
These look crappy. They feel like they're gonna ball up.
Yeah, I like those because
they're actually
have two different sides.
Oh yeah, sides on both sides.
And I just don't understand how this thing falls apart at freaking. I mean, it's got 200,000 miles, 191,000 miles.
Yeah, that's a pretty good amount. Okay, so while he's putting that on, let me show you how this crush washer go. This one. Oh, I dropped it. There's one. Okay, so and here's the screw. So you put one on the screw, like that. Not a really good view of it. One goes on the screw, and I'll show you the other part in a minute. You have no screwdriver?
I have one. Oh.
Nope, the knife works better anyway. Gonna pop that out of there. Little old piece of plastic.
Why are you running that deep?
Take a whole 10 minutes to come out. Alright, so the hard part of the job is done. Everything goes so simple. Super tight, you guys, super tight. This is a Super Duty. It's gotta be super tight. Yep, so make sure that you guys always put the new crush washers on.
Yes, because make sure that didn't do that either because they changed the new bolts. That's a layer of that crush washer.
That's why I'm saying, I'm like, well, it look like it's still on there. So you gotta change the bolt and the washer.
The flat part to the thing. It's got a round side and a flat side.
Okay, so it has a round side and a flat side. You always want the flat side to be flush with the caliper, not the round side.
Not the caliper. The line.
Oh, the line, okay, yeah. Boom. New? The other new ones here. Shaw's gonna track me, huh? Charlie say he running. Lexus say you never know till you know, though. He's so stupid. Copper. All right, so our washer's in. Oh, somebody about to crash on the highway. So our next thing we're gonna do.
Now you open that bleeder.
Is open our bleeder up. We're gonna open our bleeder up, and then we're gonna release the pressure from the hose so our fluid can flow again. Fill it up. Yep. Let's fill it up. Let's fill it up and make sure. They still skirting. They up there drifting or something. Whoa, look at this bee right here. Look at him. He must like the color yellow. Okay. So this takes .3. This takes .3 fluid. So we're gonna go find our .3 fluid. Found it, you feel me? See? DOT 333. So I don't know if y'all can see, but the reservoir is back behind the coolant reservoir. So I thought I was about to count, but I keep. It's a big reservoir. Yeah. You want that whole bottle? Just another fair warning for y'all who don't know about brake fluid. Brake fluid is very corrosive, and if you get it on your paint, it'll eat it up. So make sure that you be very careful with brake fluid, because you don't want your paint to be all over the place, or your customer's paint in this situation. So just be careful. This reservoir is huge. Oh my goodness, this is bone dry. Again, alright, so we got our reservoir full now. Now we're gonna release the pressure. Yep. Release the pressure out of there. Are we flowing? It's like the bleeder is already open, right? Mm-hmm. So the bleeder open. Let's see if it'll gravity bleed for a little bit first. So right now what we're waiting on is we're waiting for the caliper to fill up. And so that way it'll gravity bleed a little bit, and then we can bleed the rest of the system out, because you have to bleed it after you change the caliper. Majority of the time, since we moved this one around a couple times before changing it, put a little air in the system. So just to be on the safe side, we're gonna go ahead and bleed it and get it all situated. So I guess I'm just gonna stop it here for a little bit until we get everything together and start to bleed it. All right, y'all. So we done now. Everything back together. Feel me? I just went ahead and bled the whole system. I didn't feel like trying to do this one. I just bled everything. I just put all new brake fluid throughout the whole system. Suck it all out. This is a very good machine to use right here. I don't know if any of y'all have it, but yeah, y'all need to get that. Feel me? Get that. So yeah, we all done. That's how you do a caliper. So I guess I'm gonna conclude the video here. I finished it. My dad had to leave, so I had to finish it, unfortunately. So thank you all for watching as usual. That's how you do a front caliper on a 2011 Ford F250 Super Duty diesel. Thank you all for watching again. Thanks for the support, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Boy.